Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Monday 13 November 2023, I have 15 potential trade setups that could boost your trading profits. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the CAD yen, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea as always. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. So on the CAD yen, I've got the CAD stronger than the yen. We've got the break, the flat top triangle, rising bottoms, the break, waiting for the retest, and then a 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal. In the US yen, we've got this trade open from the breakout from last week. There's no real price swings that I can use, so I have to use smaller points of interest to trail the stop loss. Now hitting the first target definitely on those highs, trailing the stop loss in on last night's white candle low there, minus 10 pips approximately for the balance of the trade. Pushing still the balance of the trade to 1.27 and 1.27 Fibonacci. You can even go beyond if you trust the Bank of Japan enough to hold on to a long position that long. In the Euro Yen, been watching this since last week, waiting for a retracement, draw the Fibonacci in from there to there, and getting a 50% there and a 61% level there. Market structure there and there. Those are the two levels I'm watching. Euro strong, yen weak, definitely trying to get some longs here. Euro Australian with a strong euro and a weak Australian dollar. I'm waiting for the retest, same as last week at the 61% FIB retracement. I'll wait here for 4 hours or 1 hour candle reversals. And the New Zealand Swiss forming a nice flag pattern. At this stage, we've got structure here coming in. So at the support levels, I will look for longs or then the breakout and the retest, and then I'll do some 1 hour or 4 hour reversals. One of the small profits from last week, we've entered the 1 hour trade here, and Friday night before the close of the market, I exited the trade there, giving me roughly a 1-to-1 risk reward at that stage, leaving me with a profit for Friday. Any new trades would be back at this level here. You can see the Euro, Swiss, 100% fine with this one to be long, but I'm going to wait for a decent retracement. This has gone completely sideways and flat now, so I would like to see a decent retracement before I'll consider some longs. Also, what we can do is when we start seeing momentum on the breakout there, once we see a breakout there, that'll get me interested also, because that shows renewed energy from the bulls. A break, a good decent break with a retest on the 1 hours and 4 hours, that'll also get me interested. And the Euro CAD, strong Euro, weak CAD, waiting for the breakout of this triangle, the break, the retest, 1 hour, 4 hour reversals, or I'll still look at the strong level that we've got here if I can get any 4 hour or 1 hour candle reversals from this level. On the New Zealand US, got this big Fibonacci there. New Zealand's still stronger than the US. I'm waiting at this level to see if I can find something. Any 4 hour, 1 hour reversal here will be good for me. In the New Zealand yen, New Zealand strong, yen weak. Consolidating now, so I'm not going to do anything up there, but if it can come back down to this area, which I highly doubt for today, but if it comes back to this level, then I'll get interested. Pound Australian dollar, nice swing running up the page here. Retracement, 61% FIB at market structure. Strong pound, weak Aussie. So my direction here is bullish. Aussie New Zealand, getting a retracement, starting a brand new bearish trend. Aussie much weaker than the New Zealand. So I've identified this support level, Fibonacci there, 61% retracement. That's the area I'll get interested in shorts. Gold, not that I will short this, but the trend is down on gold. So this is just for the gold bears. I don't in person ever short gold. But a retest up there is the 61% FIB right at market structure. It was a level that held for a long time. So if it gets there and you are crazy enough to do some short selling on gold, that's the area to look for. Just keep an eye. You need a strong dollar for gold to have a decent move to the downside. Euro US, this is a pattern I haven't seen earlier this morning. Only when I prepared for this video, I spotted this falling wedge at the support level. So I'll still get interested in the Euro Yen here for longs, but also the falling wedge pattern now. The break and the retest will also get me interested. Strong Euro, more neutral, weaker dollar, so I'm good with longs. Aussie US also retracing now into a bear trend, so Aussie there, US up there, so 100% good for shorts. Strong level that we had on the Aussie here. First it was resistance, then it became support, so let's see if it gets up there again, I'll get interested in selling short. Pound yen triangle forming. If it pulls back to this 50% level of this last big swing here, I'll get interested in longs on some bullish reversals. But with this triangle forming, the break and the retest, a 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal after the break, that'll get me to go long. My favorite idea for today is a potential long on the pound Swiss. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my trade ideas. Let's get back to the pound Swiss. Very nice falling wedge. Pound up there, Swiss weak. So this pattern, I need a break above that, then the retest. Now what draw my attention of this pattern is a falling wedge right at market structure here. The bottom, the resistance there, support, support. Finding support right at that level, but it's a Monday morning, I'm not going to trade anything here. But seeing a wedge, a falling wedge playing out right at a support level, and you then get a break and a retest, I can expect some explosive moves from this. So that's why this is my favorite setup for today. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.